Our bathroom has not been touched since it was built in 2006. My mother-in-law is moving in with us soon, and she would not be able to step over a tub. We were looking for something that we knew was dependable and professional and that had great quality, and Jacuzzi Bath Remodel had all of those things for us. Our design consultant from Jacuzzi actually was a big help. Everything that we were looking for, we were able to accomplish. The demo team came in, took care of demo and installation. It was the same team, and it was one-day turnaround, and it's beautiful.
It's awesome.
Yay!
It massively exceeded the expectations. That's crazy that you did that in a day.
Having this beautiful new shower from Jacuzzi Bath Remodel is so awesome, but the real benefit is that we have a safe space for my mother-in-law. It is so much prettier than I thought it was gonna be. This gives my husband and I peace of mind.